Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Maureen. If you're watching me for the second time, the third time, you are definitely the best. So today we are headed to Gikomba just to roam around and see what's new and, learn a few things. So guys, stay tuned. So guys, I decided to showcase the whole journey from Ngara to where we get the mats, like that black mat, and then all the way to Gikomba. So some people will prefer to walk, others will prefer to get a mat, but it's not as far. So when you use this road, it's more of a straight road, and then you head to Karioko, and then ufike pale kwa chief, ranch off, and then you can even walk directly to Gikomba. So yeah. Guys, just to explain the direction towards the shoe side, as many always ask, mimi nimeshuka gari nikaanza kutembea direct, like on my left side nimeanza tu kutembea direct. So use that road hivyo tu vile inaenda, you'll get somewhere wanauza capes, and then now you can branch to your right. So as you can see, I'm still walking straight ahead. I'm still walking straight using that road. So kuna mahali you can see the capes. Follow that direction, continue heading straight, and then ukimaliza hapo kwa the capes, there are some capes unaona hapo, branch on your right, and then you'll find yourself umeanza kutembea kwa viatu.
You're sick of my madness. Don't you tell me what I supposed to do. You're better off without me. Don't you tell me what I supposed to do. When I'm walking on the streets half naked, it's part of me, it's part of me. When I'm making my brain makeup, it's part of me, it's part of me. When you're crushing on my dreams and you're making me so full, get out of my life. I know what I'm supposed to do. When you're crushing on my dreams and you're making me so full, I know what I'm supposed to do. I know what I'm supposed to do. Supposed to do.
Guys, we arrived here at 6 something and it's now almost 8 and we're still searching for shoes. So The market is a bit big, and I mean it's accommodative hata kama watu walikuwa wamejaa sana. So even if you're starting a shoe business, you want to sell kids shoes or adult shoes, just rise up early, come and select fashionable shoes. It's not a must you start by selling bills. Amka mapema, come select shoes and then start selling online or something. Kidogo kidogo tu utaweza kujua, okay, now I can take bills, so no one shall stop you.
You're sick of my madness. Don't you tell me what I supposed to do. You're better off without me. Don't you tell me what I supposed to do. When I'm walking on the streets half naked, it's part of me, it's part of me. When I'm making my brain makeup, it's part of me, it's part of me. When you're crushing on my dreams and you're making me so full, get out of my life. I know what I'm supposed to do. When you're crushing on my dreams and you're making me so full, I know what I'm supposed to do. Naked. I know what I'm supposed to do.
So guys, from shoes we are now roaming around trying to look for trousers or tops or just something nice. Guys, finally we found ourselves on the bags side. It was so muddy, but we managed. So many bags are in this place. Sana traveling bags, handbags. But in this day I didn't get nice handbags, but we got some monkey bags, traveling bags. Yeah guys, stay tuned. You'll learn something. You can also start a bag business, select some bags and sell. But I still believe that this side, someone should also come as early. Yeah, because this was around, I think, 9-10, and most of the bags have been selected. So we're just looking for whatever was left. Yeah, guys, so if you also want to get very nice bags, very nice handbags, rise up early before watu wachague. So at this rate, we are done. We are now headed out of the market. So tired, but first we needed to pass by. There's a place we buy very nice shoes. It's away from the shoe market, but very quality. And I mean, hizo viatu hata ukitafuta wapi, if you're not a seller, unless you're so lucky to get them, it's quite hard. So we just had to pass by our guy who sells some quality shoes and check kama ametuwekea any, and then we head home.
Unaweza kuambia nichukulie tu. Sasa unakuja kama umejisahau tunasema hiyo uko na
Lovelies, if you've watched till here, thank you so much. So this is us trying some clothes that we bought. These are men's trousers, good quality. We bought them at an estimate of 700. Quality, like from Tao, there's a guy who sells these trousers at 15, 1200, but we got them at quite some good price.
Excited, every goja now.
싶을 때 내가 보고 싶을 때 또 네가 많이 아플 때 이 노래를 들어줘 절대 추운 날은 없을 거야 Cause I'll be with you 오늘도 좋은 꿈만 꿨으면 좋겠어 baby Barefoot, barefoot Take off your shoes and step in the bed
The end of the vlog. I hope you've enjoyed. I hope you've learned something. In case of any questions, just ask. Any comments, comment, subscribe and share. Let me know what else you would love me to vlog, either in a market, in the same Gikomba. I'm still learning. This thing is all about learning. And as I said, anyone who is trying to visit Gikomba for the first time, do it. it could be tricky at first, but just do it. Mimi nimepotea, nimekuwa nikienda Gikomba, I still get lost, but at least huwa sipotei sana. So I hope you've learned something, guys. I'm so tired. Anyway, see you in my next one. Bye bye.